having a very, very bad storm, and Marlo is crawling right there in the corner. Where is he? There he is, Marlo. Right underneath there. Come, Marlo, come sit by Mommy. Shame. And Rusty's here. He's not frightened from the storm. He's also older. But, oh my goodness. What a noise. I think it also helped, what do you call it? See guys, you see outside, I don't know if the windows. Wow. Very good. Wow. So windy all of a sudden. I just came out with the dogs for a walk. Oh, the water's coming inside. Just hold on. The water's coming inside. Oh la la. It's actually raining so much that the water is coming through the windows. And my sister's so bad because, well, anyway, it's a very, very bad storm. It's nearly finished, you can see. It's nearly finished. But all the water's coming down our window. Wow. Nice water for the garden. Ooh, that was a bad one. It's not so bad. We normally have much more severe storms in South Africa. But this time, it pushes the windows, the wind pushes the windows, and then the rain comes right through the sides. Oh, I'll have to change this window. It's going to be over just now, it doesn't last long. And David told me it was just, we just came home about, let's say 10 minutes ago. Then all of a sudden the wind came up. I went quickly close all the windows, and then all of a sudden it started to storm because it was so hot today. So all the plants are going to be happy that they have water. All the trees and the birds will have also happy that there's water. Must have been lots of little birds very thirsty today. Meantime, I've been doing my painting, and I sort out my problem that I had with the little feet. I made them now better now. It doesn't look anymore so purple. It looked very purple. Oh, that's a bad one. I don't know if you can see on the window, but hey, this water is just, you see on the sides here, all the water came through here, and then it's made the window sill all wet, so I put a big cloth there. And I'm not going to open the window because otherwise it's going to come all inside. I can hear the rain is going softer now, falling softer. Hey, but there are big storms here. It doesn't worry me. I just don't like to. One day I was in the storm and I was outside in a car. I don't like to be. I'm not very comfortable when I'm in a car. But when I'm inside, I'm not worried. And Dad bought me a special thing that I can leave my computer on the TV. That there's no power failure or any connection with the bad weather on the computer. That might break the computer or what. So he's got me that special thing. Oh, I'm warming and it's 7:30. So I'm going to make my supper. Yeah, I think that's the end of the storm. Yeah, I think that's the end of the storm. Oh no, ooh, that was a bad one. Wow. Can you hear this, guys? That was a bad one. Now it's starting again to rain. So look at that tree, look at that palm tree. Looks like it's gonna fly away. I caught a nice one. Ooh, that's a bad one. No, it's not over yet. Looks like it's starting again. It's actually raining so much that you can't even see. Before I could see the beachfront, now you can't even notice anything because of the rain. I should have held the camera the other way. Then I would have had more chance to have some lightning effects in the camera. Okay guys, it's 9 minutes. I think I can't video longer. I have to stop. Oh, every time I say I have to stop, there's another one coming. Let's just wait till 10 and then I'll stop. And where's Rusty? Oh, where's Marlo? Oh no, me Marlo is Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye. Have a nice evening.